Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use a flat Kabuki brush to stipple and apply foundation to the face in just a few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by taking your foundation and applying one pump to the back of your hand. Go ahead and take your flat Kabuki brush and you're just going to get a little bit of product on there. What you're going to do is just first to stipple onto the skin, just creating the places that you want the most coverage to be. The flat tips make it very easy to stipple foundation on, and then like you're going to see here, this flat edge also makes it very easy to blend and buff the foundation into your skin. So once you have the foundation stippled on, go ahead taking your brush, you're just going to want to do circular motions, just buffing the foundation into your skin. You want to do more circular motions rather than swiping motions. You'll find that you'll get a fuller coverage this way, and it's really going to help make a flawless appearance to the skin and really help fill in those lines, fill in your pores, and just give an overall even coverage. And here's the final look using the flat Kabuki brush to stipple and apply foundation onto the face for a smooth, even coverage.